Hello, Olivier from WildAndGame, and today with a venison burger with a special tasty addition with it. Let's start with the homemade chips. Chunky potato, so we put this potato to boil for 5 minutes in a salty, cold water. After 5 minutes cooking in the water, we're going to drain them off. In a hot dish, we put some oil. The dish is being in the oven at 220 degrees. We put some salt in this potato. And we leave them in the oven for 1 hour, to 50 minutes to 1 hour. For this burger, 600 grams of ground venison, generous amount of salt, cayenne pepper, normal pepper, oyster sauce. So we're going to separate this 600 grams of venison in 4 to make 4 burger, generous size burger. So we're shaping the burger. And the little tasty addition is this garlic butter with parsley and a lot of salt. We put in the middle and we cover it. Let's put the burger in the fridge for 10 minutes. Inside the burger we're going to put some onions, big onion slice, ready to go on the grill later on. 1 tomato, 4 slices. And the avocado, we're just going to slice it. So cutting off to remove the pit in the middle. So let's grill the burger on a hot grill with some oil. Good seasoning. So the burger 3 minutes on each side. Lovely. And it's a good one to put the cheese. Cheese on top of the burger. The burgers are ready. Let's put the bun and the onions. On the hot grill. Now with the burger, salad, tomato, a hot tasty burger, avocado and bacon and onions, and the hot bun on the top. Oh, look at the lovely chips. Beautiful, crispy, pinch of salt, and it's ready to go on this lovely burger. Here we are, the tasty venison burger from WildAndGame. Bon appétit!